winds are blowing so fast for them, they are hardly being able to anchor their own ship is what I'm seeing. It's like there is a storm in the sea and this storm is giving a hard time to the sailor. I'm seeing that they literally are trying their best to save their loved one. As I said, there's a lot on their shoulders. They're trying to keep up the family. They are trying to save the family. They feel, actually it's not one feeling, maybe there literally might be something happening in their life wherein they are seeing that their loved ones are drowning and they're trying to save them by just keeping their spirit high or trying to save them through that boat, as I said. So, but that's not working only. It's not working. It's like, it's acting a lot of pressure on them. So you will be able to witness their foolish side somehow. There's a famous idiom in India that whenever a peacock rises its feathers, it actually looking beautiful on one side, but the other side, it's like coverless, right? So I'm seeing that kind of situation happening for them. It's like they're trying to best maintain that image that they are trying to hold on to, and they're just trying to show people as if they are very stable, they are very grounded, and they are the ones shining with the flying colors. But ultimately, whatever they're doing to do that is actually making them all the more, it's like naked in front of everybody. Everybody can see the real side is what I'm seeing. And people are not very happy about seeing what is inside them. That is unfortunate. So yes, we can just send them blessings because I'm seeing that people are not appreciating their real side. People are not appreciating what they are seeing. They are not aware whether they are being seen like that. They feel that they are carrying a good facade on them, and that's just making them look all the more beautiful, all the more stable, all the more grounded, all the more poised, but that's not the case. They are just wearing a throne of their ego is what I'm seeing very clearly. Everybody around is just kind of disregarding what they are seeing, the real side of this person, whomsoever this person might be, and their own heart or their own inner side is trying to speak to them, but they can hardly hear that. That's so unfortunate. They're very disconnected at the moment. I'm seeing that. They are disconnected from their inner self. They are disconnected from their own higher self. They are very disconnected from the divine. And that is the only reason why they are all the more vulnerable at the moment. It's like a few people in friend circle or family who are trying to maintain this facade that they are trying to carry. It's in their hands. You just drop down that facade of theirs as they can see the real side, and they'll be all the more exposed in front of everybody. They are already exposed without realizing, right? They feel that they are carrying a very good facade or something that is actually keeping them very updated, or they are looking remarkable, or they have just built in something so remarkable for themselves that they can be praised for, and all of that. Are you getting the image what they are carrying? But actually, people who are trying to boast them also at the moment, they're not liking that image of theirs because kind of they can see the real self that is there, which has been exposed now by the universe. So this is a very unfortunate time that's going around. Your haters or conspirators or ill-wishers, whomsoever they might be, we can just send them more light so that divine can guide them. Please do not get into a trap of hatred or a trap of feeling nice about their misery, because that will again bring bad karma to you. So please beware. Okay, already you can see how bad karma affects through the other person's example. So we would not want bad things in our life, right? So I'm sending you much love, much light. You needed this confidence. That's the reason why somehow universe just wanted to pat your back in a way that you have done the right things. So just take the positive side out of this message. At least this proves that you were right all along. So God is there with you, and that is the reason why the negative things are being punished in a way, right? So we cannot have fun on the punishment that anybody's having, okay? Have to suffer. So please be as generous, as kind as you can be with your best wishes towards them. Trust me, this is just going to bring good luck for you only. I'm wishing you all the best. Keep getting connected to the divine, keep getting connected to God, keep meditating. I'll see you next one. Bye for now.